for your sweetie tonight and you have no room on the stove? Well, as Valentine luck would have it, I'm making chocolate-covered strawberries right now. How about I bring a plate for you and your man right over? Okay, sweetie, I'll see you in about an hour. Bye-bye. Okay, chocolate-covered strawberries for Brenda and her Valentine coming up. All right, guys, we're heading right into it. Now, you have seen this before, the Little Dipper mini crock pot. Well, this is another wonderful use that you can get out of that, okay? Now, into our little crock pot has gone dark chocolate. We've used the Roth, and we've also used this wonderful, oh, these are so good, you guys, if you can find them. They're by Nestle, and they're an artisan collection of the dark chocolate chips. Okay, so we've used a combo about half and half on that chocolate chip and the Roth. Okay, now, if you don't have one of these, never fear, because you can do it in a double boiler setup on top of the stove. Okay, ha, look at this. You're gonna love this. You see these all the time, right? And you think, but I don't fondue. What am I gonna do? So, let me show you. We're gonna just spear our strawberry right here, just like that. Look how easy that is now. See that? And then into the chocolate. Now you can wiggle it around in there, just like that, easy peasy. But I find that it's hard to get the chocolate all the way up just by rolling it around in the chocolate. So I like to use a spoon and get that coated. Oh, so lovely. Look at that. And then you can kind of do a double coat too. Alrighty, now we've got to let that drain off a goodly amount. Goodly? Who uses that word? Goodly, a goodly amount. Okay, now just wind it around just like that, okay? And down onto the silpat. Just like that. See there? Onto the silpat, and then we're going to let it dry. Where this recipe came from, there was a lady in the 60s. She had a bake shop in Chicago, Illinois, and she, on a whim, came up with this idea of dipping strawberries in dark chocolate. And it was, like the Waldorf salad, an instant success. This is our last one. Now, we're going to take these and put them in the fridge to set up for about 20 to 30 minutes just to be on the safe side and give that chocolate plenty of time to harden. And then we shall devour. All ready for Brenda and her sweetie. We'll see you next time on Retro Foods.